Hi, this is the week 4 progress report for the capstone project. So in this week, I implemented the the map panning. My teammate implemented the entities, and I added entity castle onto the map. So here's what the program looks like. So at the beginning, click start, and then you pick a house, and then it quickly showed the map. You probably remember from last week, there is only an empty picture. Here now we added the map, and you can see I draw the castle on here, even though it's not actual castle. This is just from another project. I just use it to show that the code works. And then here's the opponent castle. As you can see, when I move the mouse cursor to the edge, after I move to a certain location, it triggers the panning of the map. Same thing for the bottom. So if you reach the 4 edges, it start moving towards that direction. So this is what I've done for week 4. So now let's take a look at the code. First is the panning. So inside of this drawing loop, this got called every frame of the game. So first it handles the panning. So if I set up a threshold of pixels, so if from the mouse to the edge of the canvas is greater than the threshold, oh, not actually smaller than the threshold, it will trigger, it will update the map location. It will redraw the background map location. And then here is used to draw the entities. Right now, because I only have one, the castle right here, loaded, so I'm only drawing that one. So let's see. So here's the panning functions. It just keep updating the map offset X and Y, and then and change this parameter. This is a flag. It shows if the game need to redraw the background map. I also implemented the level object. So in this object, it record the initial game state. So this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 represent 5 houses. So in the initial screen that the user can pick if they're choosing Stark or Lannister or any of other houses, it will load this object onto the entity object. So you can see here, yeah. So so it read this object, and then it pass a parameter of the house, and then it loop through each of the object, and then assigning the IDs and all that, the team ID and all that stuff, and then we push this new entity onto the game items. This is for the AI team and the AI initial game state. And then for here it calls each item inside the game, and then call the overridden function for each item. So here my teammate implemented this building entities. So essentially the castle has this overridden function that got called if the entity calls its draw function. So this just used the foreground draw image. That's the spreadsheet that got loaded, and then some other parameters. So we're still waiting for another teammate to make spreadsheets for other entities so that it can be displayed and then drawn onto the map. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've done for week 4.